Starting a business in Alberta? That's an exciting journey. Alberta's strong economy makes it a great place to start. Whether it's a cafe, IT company, or freelancing, start smart. Let's learn how to register your business step by step.
First, choose your business structure.
A sole proprietorship means you own everything. A partnership shares ownership and responsibility.
To our successful partnership.
Shared ownership and responsibility.
A corporation is a separate legal entity.
An LLP combines benefits of partnership and corporation. This structure offers flexibility for our partnership and protects us like a corporation would. Exactly, it's the best of both worlds. Next, choose a strong and unique business name.
Okay, let's start brainstorming.
How about Peak Dynamics?
I like Nimbus Strategies. I like
Apex Forge could work too.
Follow Alberta naming rules carefully. Use only letters, numbers, and hyphens. Start and end with a letter or number. Must be between two or special characters, except hyphens.
Check availability using a NUANS report. First, enter your proposed name and click Search. The results table shows similar names. Click to view the full NUANS report.
Now, fill out the required registration forms. Different structures need different forms.
Submit your documents to a registry provider.
Here are my documents.
Thank you. I'll process these now.
Great, thank you.
You'll receive confirmation after submission.
Get your business number from the Canada Revenue Agency.
This number is essential for taxes and banking.
Register for GST, payroll, or import accounts if needed.
Check required licenses using BizPal. Enter your business location and activity. BizPal instantly generates a checklist of required permits. Save time and avoid delays.
Protect your business with proper insurance.
Consider liability, professional, and property coverage.
Open a dedicated business bank account. Hi, I'd like to open a business account.
Of course. I just need you to sign this form.
Great, all set. You're now ready to launch your business in Alberta. Good luck.